Pat Flynn. I'm back again, and in 2 minutes or less, I'm going to teach you the Turkish Get Up, except it's actually going to be the Turkish Get Down, because I found that it is far easier to learn this exercise when you start from the top. I want you to follow me. If you're new to this, use zero weight at first. I mean that. Just learn the steps. Add weight once you feel totally comfortable, okay? Here we go. Like I said, we're going to call this the Turkish Get Down because it's just easier to learn from the top. So you're going to press the kettlebell overhead. Alignment is important. Bicep next to or slightly behind the ear. Full lockout. Free hand taps your opposite leg. This is the leg you step back into a deep lunge with. Now watch my back shin. This is important. Everybody misses this step. Everybody. You have to swivel that back shin, so now you have an L with your legs. This L allows you to sink into your hips to find the ground. This is the next step. From here, your back leg kicks out, you come to your butt, you come to your forearm, and then you roll to your shoulders. This is a roll, not a sit-up. Now you're gonna push with this heel, pull with this forearm, and roll back all the way up to your hand. That's actually 2 steps. Okay? I'll show you again in a minute. Let's get through it. Sweep the leg. Importantly, this knee is in line with my hand. From here, I dip back into my hips. Notice the L. I should feel very stable here, like I could eat a roast beef sandwich. From here, you're going to come into the lunge. That back shin swivels. Both knees are now forward. And now you're going to stand up. That's the full Turkish Get Up. Let me show you now without weight so I can talk a little bit more. Each of the steps. Tap the free leg, step back. Swivel that back shin, call that the windshield wiper. Dump into the hips. Plant the hand in line with the knee. Bring the leg through, come to your butt. To the forearm, one shoulder at a time. Roll back to the forearm, post to the hand, sweep the leg, dip into the hips. Roast beef sandwich, optional step. I like Arby's. To the forward lunge, to standing. Just watch the video again and again and follow it again and again and again and again and again, you little freak. Keep going, strong on.